Hi everybody, this is Angel and it's been a while and now I'm back and we'll be doing a book haul video for today. I have purchased most of the books that I have got from Amazon.com except for this two chapter children's book which is Charlotte's Web and The Bear Called Paddington. I got this too from Swindon Bookstore, which is the local bookstore here in Hong Kong a while ago. I have seen the movie of Charlotte's Web, and it's very cute, lovable story. So decided to purchase this one for 84 Hong Kong dollars. Well, this one is I haven't read this, and I never had a Paddington chapter book before. But I have a collection of Paddington Bears a few years back, and I saw this and this one I got it from page one for 84 Hong Kong dollars. So it's a good read. There are actually a number of Paddington books to collect, so I think I'll start with this one and will collect eventually. That's the second purchase. Then I have ordered this two books, the release book from Rick Warren, who is a very famous spiritual leader from California. So I have The Purpose Driven Life by the same author, and I've decided to get this two um, books from the same author. This one's called God's Answers to Life's Difficult Questions. And this one's God's Power to Change Your Life. Very inspiring at the moment. I am reading this, but it's not a chapter story. So I somehow read them both alternatively. So it's very good. They're like for this one, there are like 12 questions here in life, like some questions that are very difficult to answer. So I decided to get this book because it somehow relates and gives examples from the Bible and give you insight and help to understand why things are the way they are, or why are the things that you want is not really meant for you to have, or not meant for you to experience. So I'm quite inspired to read this book, and I'm happy that I got it. So that's the third one. So what's this one? Very nice. If you're sort of like searching for your life or your future, those two books are really worth to read. Then the next one that I got from Amazon is this Herb Gardening from the Ground. I have collected seeds, different seeds that I plan to plant when I move out to my new apartment, to my new place, which will be next month, very soon. So I will be doing a video of my new flat or new condo tour early next month. So I got this to give me insight and directions on really how to have your basic kitchen home garden. Got this for, well, I got it cheaper than it is. It's written here that it's 16 US dollars. Actually, I got it cheaper for 12 US dollars. And behind me, I have more books to share. And I don't really know if I have the time to finish all this, but they really seem very interesting to read. I got those and got them a few days ago actually. So the first thing is this um, chapter book called Stalingrad. It's actually a story um, during World War II. So I'm always fascinated with one is called The Pirates of Somalia. It's about a country, Somalia, who suffered from all this kind of war and something about unfair justice in the country. And again, it's a very deep issue and very interesting to read. Not one sitting can really describe what this is. So I find it really fascinating. That's why I purchased it. Then I have this book called The Unconquered. Uh, Obviously, these books I haven't read, but I'm really just fascinated with the title itself and somehow the stories in the Amazon, in the wild, and searches, and all the things that happens there that only a survivor can share. So it's worth collecting, worth reading. Although I know I have a Kindle, I do have a Kindle right now. I am reading Jesus the book. But while reading those, I kept on checking new books from Amazon. So I came across with this and decided to purchase them. Next is this is Maya Road. And well, my boyfriend likes to read this kind of stories as well. It's true to life stories and what's inspired from Somalia. So I got those not just only for myself, but after me, I'll pass this book to him so he can read because he also likes this kinds of stories. And lastly, I have The Shack, which I have purchased not on Amazon but um, from Daimox here in Hong Kong. It's a story about a man who changes his faith and belief in God because of the struggles that he's been undergoing and the miracles that happened after that. He believes in Jesus. He believes in the powers of prayer after that encounter in the Total Shack. So all the books that I have shown you, I truly advise you to have this um, chapter book called The Shack by W.M. Paul Young. It's really worth reading, and you will be amazed how your faith really takes you to a place that you cannot even imagine, and understand things in your life that you thought you are incapable of understanding. So again, I'm happy that I've got this book, and thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoy watching my video, although I seldom upload videos because I am truly busy with everything going on in my life. So I hope to see you all again.